प्यारे बच्चों, आदाब। मैं रूही सुल्ताना और मेरे साथी मलिक मोहम्मद यूनिस आज की क्लास में हाजिर। आज हम बात करेंगे नरेशन पार्ट 2 की। जी हाँ, इसमें हम सीखेंगे पर्सनल प्रोनाउन किसे कहते हैं और प्रोनाउंस इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कैसे तब्दील होते हैं। ठीक?
Dear students, let's learn personal pronouns first. Pronouns that denote persons are called personal pronouns. There are three persons: first person, second person, third person. The person who is speaking is called first person. The person spoken to is called second person. The person spoken about is called third person. First persons: I, we, me, us, my, our, mine, ours are first persons. They are used as subjective, objective, or possessive in a sentence. Now see the table. There are three columns. In the first column, there is case. As you know, there are three cases: subjective, objective, or possessive. Possessives have two types: possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. The first person singular is I, and the first person plural is we, always used as subjective in a sentence. Me is the object of I, us is the object of we, always used as objective in a sentence. My is the possessive case of I, our is the possessive case of we, but used as possessive adjectives in a sentence. Mine and ours are also used as possessives in a sentence, but always used as possessive pronouns. Second person: you, your, yours are second persons. They are also used as subjective, objective, and possessive in a sentence. Again, see the table. The second person singular is you, and the second person plural is also you. The object of you is you. You can be used as subjective as well as objective in a sentence. The possessive case of you is your and yours. Your is used as possessive adjective in a sentence, and yours is used as possessive pronoun in a sentence. Third person: he, she, it, singular noun, they, him, his, her, hers, its, them, their, theirs are third persons. They are also used as subjective, objective, or possessive in a sentence. See the table. Third person singulars are he, she, it, singular noun. Third person plural is they. The objectives of third person singulars: him, her, it, singular noun. Objective plural is them. Possessive adjective of third person singulars: his, her, its, singular noun plus apostrophe, and the possessive adjective of third person plural: their plus plural noun apostrophe. Possessive pronoun of third person singulars: his, hers, its. Possessive pronoun of third person plural: theirs. Dear students, let us learn the second objective of our topic: change in pronoun in indirect speech. To convert a direct speech into indirect speech, the pronoun in a sentence is changed according to some rules. For example, he said, I like music. Direct speech. He said that he likes music. Indirect speech. In the above example, the pronoun I is changed to pronoun he in indirect speech. This sentence has two parts, as you know. A reporting verb, for example, he said, and a reported speech, for example, I like music. The pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the pronoun of reporting verb of the sentence. Okay? There are four basic rules for the change in pronoun in indirect speech. Rule number 1. The first person pronoun of reported speech is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. For example, direct speech, she said, I will go to London. In direct speech, she said that she would go to London. Direct speech, they said, we have completed the work. In direct speech, they said that they had completed the work. Direct speech, he said, my laptop is heavy. In direct speech, he said that his laptop was heavy. Direct speech, she said, my son is cute. In direct speech, she said that her son was cute. Rule number 2. The first person pronoun of reported speech is not changed if the pronoun of reporting verb is also first person. For example, I said, I had applied for a job. In direct speech, I said that I had applied for a job. Direct speech, we said, we sing a song. In direct speech, we said that we sang a song. Rule number 3. The second person pronoun of the reported speech is changed according to the object of reporting verb. For example, she said to me, you are a brilliant student. In direct speech, she told me that I was a brilliant student. Direct speech, she said to him, you are a brilliant student. In direct speech, she told him that he was a brilliant student. Rule number 4. The third person pronoun of reported speech will not be changed in the indirect speech. For example, he said, she will buy a pen. In direct speech, he said that she would buy a pen. Another example, she said, they are singing a song. In direct speech, she said that they were singing a song. Another example, he said, she is waiting for them. In direct speech, he said that she was waiting for them.
हाँ तो बच्चों, उम्मीद है आपने ये पाठ समझा होगा। मज़ीद समझाने के लिए हम आपसे बहुत जल्द मिलेंगे।